let's take a look at the aluminum portable gantry crane in front of us. Its height and span can be adjusted according to customer needs. This design makes it easier to move the portable gantry crane to different work areas. Then, we can see that there are 4 universal wheels at the bottom. Please note that to ensure safety, when we move the crane, we must first disconnect the power supply and then need 2 people to push it to maintain balance. We must put safety first during the lifting process. We have just shown you the design, types, specifications, and advantages of aluminum portable gantry cranes. There are videos about adjusting its height and span in our YouTube channel list. You can check out more videos. Then, let me show you this European electric chain hoist. It has unique advantages compared with traditional electric chain hoists. First, high performance. European electric chain hoists have excellent performance, are safe and reliable, and maximize work efficiency. Second, sensitive and fast. The European electric chain hoist has flexible movement and precise positioning. The main lifting speed is fast and effective, and the low-speed lifting is smooth and precise. Then, easy maintenance and longer service life. Thanks to the excellent design, maintenance work can be done quickly and easily. All major components such as gearboxes, brakes, and clutches are made using special processes and are durable. Even during busy work, our European electric hoists still have a long service life and high quality. In addition, European electric chain hoists have low noise and are more user-friendly. Next, let's take a look at the main components of the European electric chain hoist. This is a trolley. It can easily install the electric chain hoist on the aluminum rail. This is the motor. The European electric chain hoist is equipped with 2-speed motors as standard, so it works more efficiently and adopts low-voltage control, making it safer. This is the housing. High-strength alloy die casting in one piece, corrosion-resistant, good sealing, special suspension design to prevent the box from bearing load. Inside the casing are various major components. This is the load chain. Use Yuantai's special high-hardness, anti-aging chain. The surface is hardened and galvanized, and an additional surface is treated to protect the load chain from harsh environments. This is the hook block. The hook group is comfortable to hold and conforms to ergonomic principles. The hook is forged for excellent strength and can rotate 360 degrees. Specially designed safety tongue ensures safe operation. This is the pendant control. The pendant control cable is made of high-quality copper core. The weight of pendant control and wire is concentrated on the wire rope, which greatly improves service life. The low-voltage pendant control is designed with an emergency stop button, making it safer to use. Finally, let's turn on the power and run this European electric chain hoist.
Keep that addicting smile that you had. You're my own, no doubt for sure. I mean what I said, girl. Into you now. Wish can say these words to you beside a fireplace now. Hold up, just hold up, baby. I ain't no filthy player. You be the Mara Jade, I'll be a Skywalker. Every perspective of yours is like a magazine cover. Hope one day the person I gave my ring to is yours. Girl, we gon' go reach the paradise. We all we know for you, yeah, that was sacrifice. We gon' go reach the paradise. We all we know for you, yeah, that was sacrifice. Let it come, ooh, let it come.